I just got back from Indian Motorcycle in Ballarat, where they now have the Rinehart mufflers for the Indian Chief in stock. I got to have listened to the pipes on a bike, and I must say they sound absolutely fantastic on the Chief. But they are loud. So if you're thinking about the Rineharts, they sound beautiful. They look fantastic on the Chief. The Rinehart mufflers have a beefier look to them, like the stock mufflers. They look better, I think, being a bit beefier than, say, the Freedom, for instance, which you can see here. The Freedom pipes are a lot narrower and got more of a pencil look to them. I much prefer the way the Rineharts look on the Chief. I did hear both of them running. I didn't hear the Freedom running today, but I have heard it running before, and I must say that I prefer the sound of the Rineharts, but again, they are loud. I think the Rineharts would be the way I'm going to go eventually for my Chief. I did ask Mark, he's got 2 sets in stock. He has a set on the Chief so you can hear it if you want to hear what the pipe sounds like. Once those 2 sets are sold, he's obviously got more on back order. But if you're looking for a set of really nice sounding slip-ons for your Chief, I reckon the Rineharts are the way to go, but they're loud. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye for now.